before a year emrasebe je fie me swear in and okoye na court say there be content no into a issue bench warrant say yenche no na yehwe na emra no enti menye na adwuma but the minority in parliament say there be almost sense bias ewo mu. First of all, on the point of law my yehwe na esefata, is that the right way? Na contempt a cheno ampa na per the Koforidua High Court aka ye no
say kase contempt na say why you bibi etia embra nti say kase contempt look at two things. Is there an order? Na order bi wo hono mana. Is there a decision bi wo hono mana? So what you say? Aha. If there was an order, what did I say? Don't carry yourself out as a member of parliament.
Angel.
If you say order no, or say na once, was it communicated to him or call parliament no on the 6th of December or the 6th of January?
Yeah.
Come now, yes, swearing in, no. Clerk of Parliament, aka actually say, Nensa, aka an order from the court says he should not be sworn in past the member of Parliament. It is over Kai Krampa, minority leader, I can say, they will swear in Ernest Kumi, and he is aware, but he will bear all the consequences that a minority leader here.
Exactly so. Yeah.
Yes. If there is an order and you have disregarded the order, it means that you are in contempt of the court. Contempt of court, you were two. There were infashi kuria. And there were ex-fashi kuria. Infashi kuria, they say, who were before parliament, who were before court, Nankasa, now our committee contempt. And our committee contempt, no, outside the court.
Okay.
It's when or committee contempt, no, outside the court, because he was asked not to hold himself out as a member of parliament. Again, he was asked not to go to parliament to be sworn in. But or the thing in go in chain echo parliament sworn in. Apart from that, Crown Pono, the case contempt a quasi criminal case, a partial criminal case. The case quasi, it means partial criminal case. And in a criminal matter, no, you are supposed to appear before court. So he is supposed to be appearing before court. And so on the D-Day, no court, no one getting Wamba. So be kai crown poa. Time na 2012 election petition, you know. Ube musa time na ye cite Samuel Ukumu for contempt. No. They appeared with their counsel.
Yes. Time
na ye cite Ken Kanche contempt. No. He appeared with the counsel. But we say where the ono one court one more crowd. Ne counsel ne court. And a court say all filing appearance here. So I don't even know you. I don't know you. You have not filed appearance. Even Ernest Kumi had made court, the crown court, no on bad. And the judge in the crown for a name, the lawyer or what case name. And that's why the court did not listen to the lawyer, no, catch the lawyer. They said, if OBB Uncle filing appearance as my bedding, Ubetiano. And it's also contempt there. If you are looking at the law and you're not being biased, and if you want to be fair, honest, sincere, reasonable, he has committed contempt. And then conviction judge no dear man no no.
Okay, counsel. And yeah, with this, the lay Ghanaian like myself, any Metiefor Binum, will also ask the same. On the minority side, there were a chunk of lawyers. We are part of the minority. Not forgetting the immediate leader, that minority, honorable lawyer Alexander Fenyomakin. There were the likes of lawyer John Darko Ekahon, there were Ahmed Shaibu, and a whole lot. Knowing and understanding this very issue as far as our constitution is concerned. At the end of this team of lawyers, I mean, you say majority of them are practicing more than 10 solid years, and so they understand what the law says. At the end of or more go to this level, would it be a sheer disrespect to the court? And I say, what is it?
Politics as usual. So what you say, they know say what their brother did is wrong. They know say what their brother did is wrong. See, there is no instance whereby a court ever order and you defile the order, and that is You see, that's one of the problems I have with the MPP people. They disregard every time they will tell you say they are rule of law people. But always when we are dealing with the law, they will disregard the law. They will disregard the law. Minia. Was there an order? Na order wo hono mana. Order no odi so ana. Order no na onimu the judge. Where the way at Ebumai. Ask minority leaders say where the Bumai ana. Say your side will be contempt. And the person even refuse coming to court, disregarding the court. Do we do this? You need to at to force in echo court almost every day.
Sure.
You need to judge case in echo court almost every day. But the so-called group almost from MPP, almost rule of law, always they want to disregard the court. Yes, I hear courts, no, because they sat down at the MPP, Kufuado Abine. So if things like this happen, they deserve to go through that. But we should not entertain this in our criminal jurisprudence. We shouldn't entertain this in Ghana.
I want to maybe say for now, kakra what they are today. I'm a menimeti for binumati say there is no judiciary independence as we claim. And yes, and it is saying. If that is the case, and you're not. Are we safe in this country? Because so what we want to say, I was saying equal before the law. Name practically on the ground. So people are being shielded, irrespective of the criminality of their issue, of their case. They are being shielded because my buying a waha may a politician, and so people are being shielded. Name the ordinary Ghanaian, Ebia, Ubeka Sodokano, Waya Deka Caribbean Kaosi consider no near him, not judicially demanded dinipano. Are we safe? Looking at the trend that Yekui.
If you are the baby, we so dear, then we are not safe in Ghana. Okay? And I make sure on Article 70 says it clearly, regardless of your stature in society, regardless of your culture, regardless of the religion that you practice, all of us are to be treated equally before the law. Obi, a dying keke, osi, it's michino, because maybe you see Onja Ejuma and a Wakoto blog back home, and our Wako makes a cement, it's michino. It's a member of parliament. When I wish him brow,
yeah.
If therefore say we embrace the Gwini,
yeah.
The sole responsibility of the legislature is to make laws. Members of parliament, embrata no musho, omo in road, omo in school that embra no mo say, no more say embrana. Not to say the more say boom, brother. So we are not heading anywhere. It's a bad precedent. Me, I prefer say. The judge will be strong. Now you never before or no. See you never. So I see police in question. You never. There are three things. One, say obey prison custody or never could. Two, obey fine and now free. Obey man warning. Say the away and obey anything. Obey give him. These are the three things that can happen. One. Prison custody. This obekaya Samuel Kumude de Yamu Kotu. Two, Ubetiniako, na ya fine. The two Bekaya can cranch more than the fine one almost I hear Kotu.
Yeah.
And afraid. So Bekaya said, John Diano, Oko Eco Pacho, John Yadi channel. These are the three things that can happen.
And no matter circumstance, they are not prison now. Ubeko prison custody, they are within how many months or a year or how many days? Approximately.
Quasi judicial power in the idea man or the yes, and a quasi criminal. So it's within a day to maybe 6 months or 1 year or 2 years. It shouldn't be anything higher than 2 years.
Okay.
To
do not come back can be know the amount.
Yes, it's a discretionary power. And those occupying positions, Article 295 of the Constitution gives judicial discretionary power to political office holders. But if you are exercising those powers, you should go by Article 23. You should be reasonable in exercising it. You should be fair. You should be honest, and you should be sincere. These are the things that guide you in taking exercising discretionary powers.
the a year be by ye man you mua cancer so no me be kaya na there was series of mob action. Oba mu yesi obi hey nkrofo koduru omu ntiemu no mate agu nipa no so do omo bro no. And then conversation be shall say free some mob action ho de by say na obechi nipa no kwakotumi umra no nkosi hwe wo de ba kwakoti na be twa kwan sa be say usika ntini obi no nya eni ne enya. Baby ya keka de koyi a ye nyina ye hunu se opani bi betumi ayade na ni da ho ene wo yeye. Na so so de wasan kamra ni di no mra ni yirekete. Na hye de na ba mu ewo ho ebi okra ba so wete sram enkonkosi aga yente de ase ne kwakosi bio ne yete ho na mom the ordinary Ghanaian ne de ade kakra bi ne ahiham de agu ne so na ye hu so judiciary ne power ba ne de ne keka de ko se yan chance ntu ye ho fa ma ye ni an na ho ama judiciary ne anya wo independent na wo kase by law e wo senka wo enya no a what
83 you should be reasonable in exercising it, you should be fair, you should be honest, and you should be sincere. These are the things that guide you in taking exercising discretionary powers.
The a year be by ye man you mua cancer so no me be kaya na there was series of mob action. Oba mu yesi obi hey nkrofo koduru omu ntiemu no mate agu nipa no so do omo bro no. And then conversation be shall say free some mob action ho de by say na obechi nipa no kwakotumi umra no nkosi hwe wo de ba kwakoti na be twa kwan sa be say usika ntini obi no nya eni ne enya. Baby ya keka de koyi a ye nyina ye hunu se opani bi betumi ayade na ni da ho ene wo yeye. Na so so de wasan kamra ni di no mra ni yirekete. Na hye de na ba mu ewo ho ebi okra ba so wete sram enkonkosi aga yente de ase ne kwakosi bio ne yete ho na mom the ordinary Ghanaian ne de ade kakra bi ne ahiham de agu ne so na ye hu so judiciary ne power ba ne de ne keka de ko se yan chance ntu ye ho fa ma ye ni an na ho ama judiciary ne anya wo independent na wo kase by law e wo senka wo enya no a. What do you think the future will be as far as this set of judiciary is concerned?
If you are to tunyama ye, na you treat all persons in society equal, there was a system of government, we have an anarchical system of government. Anarchical system of government is a state whereby there's a breakdown of law. That's anarchical state. Now, if we are in an anarchical state now, it becomes a lawlessness state. Okay. So you do honomodia because anarchical is not an element of democracy. In a democratic state, one, there should be supremacy of the law. Two, there should be equality before the law. Three, there should be the protection of rights and liberties of the citizens. Four, there should be judicial independence. Five, there should be judicial review. It is also a bit said supremacy of the law now. Article 1 says the constitution shall be the supreme law of the state. At any given time, the law is supreme. Then over Article 12 to Article 33, it protects the fundamental rights and liberties of the people. Now, Article 125, where the judiciary is created, the judiciary shall be created in Ghana here. And then justice emanates from the people, and it shall be administered on behalf of the people by the judiciary. So, judicial independence, the judiciary should be free from any form of external control. Now, also the power of the judicial review, that's a constitutional provision that gives power to the judiciary to declare actions of the executive and the legislature null and void or travarious and therefore unconstitutional. It will fire them,
Angel.
And the judicial power should be exercised in a manner in which the citizens of the state know judiciary at any given time judiciary because if I'm not for the farm then we are leading to anarchical state. Because when you say so the only court crampa justice, and that is what we are supposed to fight against. Now and yet in Pennyphone some years out. It is as a media house, when we say problem, we say you know, you should go onto the market. I hope you understand when I'm talking about the market.
Yeah.
You should be able to talk about it. Now more can so no impedi for no mobile then because you say open asema catch nyankopon na catch frama. It is all our radio so impedi for no mobile then so and then we the ordinary citizens so no they be organizing demonstrations, they be organizing boycotts, throwing a direction to the government, to the judiciary, to the legislature, to people in authority for them to know say what they are doing is wrong and the people do not support it. Meaning here, Ghana Libya here so Article 1 of the Constitution, sovereignty of Ghana resides in the people. And it's in their name, their will, and in their wish the government will act. Sovereignty is the supreme power of the state over its citizens unrestrained by law. To me, Ghana Hanuman, they are saying any penny. It is a Ghana Hanuman to about our mobile to be a member of parliament. To about our mobile to be a president. We determine who becomes the president. We determine who becomes a member of parliament. So at your say, it's the to me, it is who said.